What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today why don't we take a look at we'll take a look at the AULA mechanical keyboard. It's the S98 Pro, and you might notice we have some AULA keyboards up here like the F99, so this is going to be really cool to see the S98 Pro and how it compares to the F99. Definitely check out my video on that one as well. This is another tri-mode keyboard. This has Type-C wired, 2.4 gigahertz wireless, and Bluetooth as well. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at what's inside. And I just wanted to give a huge shout out to you guys because we just hit 50,000 subscribers. That is insane. Definitely hit that sub button if you haven't already, and join in on the fun. We review a bunch of products here. We make some really cool software and games, bunch of tutorials, things like that. We show you how to use your new tech, all that good stuff. Definitely give us a sub if you're into that kind of stuff. So let's take a look at the keyboard itself. So it is nicely protected. Let's go ahead and move that out of the way. We have our informational pamphlet here, I guess you'd call it. This has information about where the screen is, the number indicator, the caps lock. So this is kind of a quick 30-second operation guide that shows you how to use it, how to connect to Bluetooth, and where you're going to use that. But you're going to see shortly it's not as difficult as with most wireless keyboards because this one actually has a screen. How cool is that? Let's go ahead and pull this out and take a look at the keyboard. Wow. So we've seen this style before. This is a black and gray gradient keyboard with a rubberized knob here that also clicks. We've got, let's go ahead and turn it on so you can see the lighting effects here. So there you have it. We have some lighting effects going on as well as the screen up there, which is the really cool part about this. So I'm actually going to jump over to my phone so I can show you what this looks like. All right, so we are looking at the keyboard here. The lights just turned off, but let's go ahead and turn it back on there. So we do have a knob here that we can change the effects, and we can say which effects we actually want to choose here. And you see that we have some really dynamic effects here. We can change the color so we can actually see which color we're going to be using. So let's say I like green. And then whenever I type, it'll go green. And we can of course go back to the effects and set it to one of these if you'd prefer. We can actually head over to brightness and turn this up or turn it down. Very, very intuitive controls. You can change the speed of the effect. You can change the volume on your PC all through here, which is nice. And you can change the language. And it has a nice little intro as well, AULA. So we have our clock, and it tells you all the caps lock and the current date, all that good stuff. Obviously, you have to connect this and change the date because right now it's not exactly correct. But aside from that, we can just go to connect and then choose our Bluetooth connection here, and it will start linking in Bluetooth mode. How easy is that? That is probably one of the easiest keyboards functionality to connect to stuff. Having a screen right there is super, super useful. And of course you can remap this to other stuff as well using the software, but yeah. And I will say this does have 3 Bluetooth settings, so you can connect it to your phone, a console maybe, and even your PC, and it will remember each device individually. You could choose which Bluetooth you'd like to connect to of those 3 networks, which is really useful. Then of course you do have the USB in the back for the 2.4 gigahertz connections. And if we look at the bottom, we do have the 3-stage lifts, so we can choose to make it really high, medium, or low. All the usual stuff you'd expect from AULA because they make absolutely amazing keyboards. And yeah, I didn't even notice this. Look, it has a nice LED effect on the bottom of the keyboard as well. So yeah, with the screen, with the wonderful gradient effect of those keys and the full RGB in the back and all the versatility you can get in changing the color to whatever your current setup is, I think this is a great choice. Wireless keyboard that you can use as wired and has all these features. I mean, you can't really beat that. So yeah, huge shout out to AULA for sending this out, and definitely check them out. I'll put a link to them in the description below. You have a good one. Peace.
ignorant minds. You can learn a thing or two about a new device. Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, the architect, MikeTheTech, yeah, MikeTheTech, the architect,